Hello, welcome to Phoenix Aralinks' CLE, or Collaborative Learning Environment. CLE is Phoenix Aralinks' learning management system, and I would like to give you a virtual tour of our LMS. Also, I will guide you through understanding CLE by familiarizing yourselves with important icons that you will encounter here. In this virtual tour, you will need to follow the orange box. It serves as your pointer to this demonstration. But first, you need to secure your CLE credentials, which are your child's username and password, and the link to the learning management system. Using Google Chrome browser or any web browser available, access the Collaborative Learning Environment or CLE by typing the appropriate address. This address will be provided to you by the school. After keying in the address, you will be directed to the CLE login page. Just enter the username and password assigned to your son or daughter. After entering your credentials, you will land on the main homepage of the CLE. On the black bar of the topmost part of the page, you will see the menu dock. It consists of options such as My Calendar, My Files, and My Grades. My Calendar contains scheduled activities and deadlines posted by the teacher. My Files is where teachers can store or upload files to be used in creating CLE activities. Students can make use of the ePortfolio as their resource and output repository. You can view scores for different activities in My Grades. A list of courses or subject scores per activity may also be viewed. The word Learn in the black bar is the home button. Clicking it directs you to the CLE homepage. Participate is also a button. It is commonly used for extracurricular activities such as answering evaluations, conducting surveys, student election, or other activities the school wants your kids or the school community to take part in. In the search bar, you can locate aralinks resources or teacher-created activities by typing in keywords. Just hit Enter key and see if there are matching resources to your keyword. This bell is the notification bell. This notifies the students and the teachers when an activity opens or ends. To this side of the bar, you will have the student's profile. Upon first entry, you will be automatically asked to change your profile and password for security purposes. The drop-down menu also contains grades, messages, preferences, and logout. They are adjustable and customizable according to your child's working preferences. But just the same, the default settings are already good enough. Underneath the images below the menu bar is the course content, timeline, My Subjects. The timeline shows you the different activities teachers post in their respective subjects. It also contains the dates, it is open, and the deadline. My Subjects contains the subjects or courses your child is enrolled in. Here, they will be able to view the activities prepared by their teachers per subject. So those are the basic things you need to know about CLE, parts and functions. Now, I would like you to see how interactive presentations and contents, quizzes, and icons that you need to be familiar with. These are the activities and features of the CLE that the teachers use for creating resources and content for your child. Whenever you see this purple icon, that means the students will have a scheduled real-time text-based discussion like a simple chat you have among your friends in a GC. This is a choice. When you see an activity that has this icon, it means there is a simple survey that the teacher wants the students to answer. This icon is forum. When you see this icon, it means there is a question posted for the students to answer. Students may reply to their classmates' comments if that is allowed by the teacher. The activity is not necessarily real time. This icon is a questionnaire. There is a series of survey questions that the students need to fill out when you have this icon. This orange icon is for quizzes. This means that the students have to review for that quiz if they see it in advance in the calendar. So every time you see this orange icon, that means there is a quiz or an examination. The following are not necessarily activities. When you see this red icon, it means it is a file uploaded by the teacher. It may be a slide presentation, a document, or multimedia files such as images and videos. You know that this is a folder. It means that there is a set of files inside this folder. This is a label, maybe a text, an image, or banner inserted in between activities and other resources. This icon is a page. When you see this, you would know that this may contain lecture notes of the teachers, it may be a reviewer, or some reminders from the teachers. Watch out also for some links that the teachers paste on these pages. They are links to web pages that students may need to visit or explore. So these are the icons you need to be very familiar with. You see in this slide an example of a quiz. This is a dichotomous response. Other quiz types are matching type, short answer, sequencing, fill in the blanks, and many other types. In this slide, you see an example of a self-learning module. A self-learning module is a set of chained activities and resources that a teacher prepared for the students for individualized learning. This means the students, even without the teacher's close supervision, will be able to study the lesson and learn the topics at their own pace. These self-learning modules may be good for an hour or may be designed to cover a whole week's lessons. You may notice that there are some remarks that say restricted. It means those activities or resources may only be opened if the preceding tasks have been accomplished. That is, the activities are either marked complete or the students have achieved a certain score. Thank you for joining me today in this virtual tour of Phoenix Aralinks' learning management system. You may replay this video to master the features of the CLE. Thank you and have a good day.